Hi friends, in this video I'll be teaching you about congruent triangles. I'll also be telling you 5 tests that I use to determine whether a set of triangles are congruent. Okay, my name is Divine Gift and this is Divine Gift Lectures. I newly got admitted into the University of Ibadan to study medicine and surgery, and I'm doing these videos for you guys to help you improve academically and so that you can get your own admission too. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, click the notification bell, and let's get started. So we are looking at congruent triangles. What are triangles? Triangles are polygons. Well, what are polygons? Polygons are shapes that are bounded by straight lines. They must be bounded by what? Straight lines. Okay? So triangles are polygons that have 3 sides. So we are going to have a shape that has straight lines that are 3 in number. Okay? So that's that. So you can see here that these are triangles that are drawn. So now, what are congruent triangles? Congruent triangles are triangles that actually, they have the same size and the same shape. They're actually the same in everything. Congruent triangles can be superimposed. For example, now, if I say these 2 triangles are congruent, I can actually carry this one and put it on top of this. I can superimpose it and it will still seem like it's just one triangle that is drawn. Okay, those are congruent triangles. The other triangle is the exact copy of the other one. Okay, so now we'll be looking at the test that determine whether 2 or more triangles are congruent. The first test is SSS, side. You can use in your secondary school to remember that. Okay, these 3 sides of a triangle must be equal to the 3 sides of the other triangle for you to say that both of them are congruent. Okay, so assuming I have 6, 5, 7, all in centimeters, and you are going to say that what? You can actually deduct that both of them are congruent, okay, because they have what? The same 3 sides. So the 3 sides of one triangle must be equal to the 3 sides of the other triangle. And then we move over to the second test, which is SAS, side angle side. The side angle and the other side of a triangle must be equal to the angle and the other side of the what? Triangle. So what? For both of them to be congruent, okay? Here we can see one side angle and the other side, and one side angle and the other side, they are equal, okay? And when they are equal, we say that what? Both triangles are congruent. Here it's used to show that this one line is used to show that two sides are equal. These 2 lines are used to show that these 2 sides are equal, and these 2 angles are equal. And when that happens, that is this test of SAS happens, we say that what? Both triangles are congruent. So in actually looking at what congruent triangles, you search for what? Which of these tests apply, and then you can actually correctly deduct whether they are congruent or not. We have the third test, which is ASA. Is complete opposite of this. Side, it becomes angle, it becomes side, this becomes angle. Okay, that helps you to remember it's ASA. Okay, angle, side, angle, and this is that when this angle, side, and angle of a triangle is equal to the angle, side, and the angle of the other triangle, you say that both of them are equal. For example, we have 60 degrees, and we have 7 centimeters, 60 degrees, and we have 7 centimeters here. Looking at angle, side, angle, we see that the angle, side, and angle of this triangle is equal to this, and the angle, side, and angle of this triangle, we can actually say that, oh, yes, both of them are congruent. So this is the third test. Then the fourth test is also like this, just that it is arranged in this way. Angle, side. Okay? Angle, side, angle, side. So if the angle, the first angle and the second angle, and then the side of one triangle is equal to the first angle, the second angle, and the side of the other triangle, we say that they are congruent. Okay? And lastly, we have RHS, which is right angled hypotenuse side. This is for right angled triangles. First of all, both triangles must have a right angle, which is 90 degrees. And the hypotenuse and side of the triangle must be equal to the hypotenuse and side of the other triangle. When that happens, we say that they are congruent. So in answering examination questions which needs you to identify whether two or more triangles are congruent, you look for what? The tests that apply. Is it SSS, SAS, ASA, AAS, RHS? Okay, so I hope you learned a lot. Have this in your mind, all the tests, and you need it for your examinations. Alright, if you have subscribed now, and keep watching. God bless.